This conference will now be recorded.
Hey, good afternoon or welcome to Sunday meetup. So we don't have agenda again today. We are going to discuss on specific things on the go. If you have any questions, general discussions. So I'm Nagesh Deshpande, your host, and I'm hosting these meetups from
Hi Nagesh, good afternoon.
you discuss. I'm past 2 3 years, and as currently working with organization. So let's get started. So Abhay also joined, Yogita also joined today for the first time. Vijay, Nikhil is a old member, Mayank is an old member. So let's have our introductions. So Yogita, please introduce yourself.
Hi Nagesh, myself Yogita Rawat and I'm working with Ika Software. It's a Bangalore product-based company. I'm working as a senior software engineer and basically I'm working in manual technology, manual tester I'm here.
It's nice to know that. Yes. Abhay,
And previously I was working as an automation test engineer and so
nice, nice.
Okay. Hi, all Abhay here. So I'm working with Advance 101. It is kind of a startup. So we are working with healthcare clients basically. So I come with the experience of functional testing, database testing, API, and also I'm a certified web services tester. And I have total 6 years of experience. Thank you.
Hey Vijay,
Hi Nagesh. Hello all. My name is Vijay Wadika. Actually, I'm currently working with Elime Technologies from Pune itself, and my role is like to support the IT team. And after that, my previous organization is Infosys. I was working there from last 1.5 year. Hello.
nice, nice Vijay. Yes,
Yeah,
thank you
yeah.
Vijay.
Thank you.
So Mayank, let us know about your latest
Yeah,
venture.
yeah,
Introduce yourself and how is your new job?
yeah. Hi all. I am Mayank Jain. I am working with the Accenture as a contract employee, and I have a total more than 11 year experience. And current technology, I am working with the ETL testing. So the project is related to pipeline testing, means BI testing. So recently, I mean, I have joined this Accenture on 24th March, so around 2 months, and very nice experience with the project, and most of the most of the people are from Switzerland side, and the client from my client is the PMI, Morris International. It is a consumer and marketing. It generally do the product is a e-cigarette. I think you know. Yeah, Philip Morris International. Yeah.
So yes, thank you, Mike. Sorry guys, I got a phone call, so hold on. Yes, so it happens to that Vijay and me, I worked in same organization, and so we got connected. So Vijay was earlier working as a tester, and his role got changed in Ilimi, and he's working in support now. So he again want to move back into testing. So Vijay, you can ask questions to all the team members. Plus, if anyone wants to guide Vijay, so we are. I'm currently in touch with Vijay, and I'm helping him. So Vikram also joining. So let's wait for Vikram also. Hey Nikhil, how are the things at your end?
Yeah, hi Nagesh and the team. Like it's good, somewhat. And This is Nikhil. I'm working as a quality analyst in a Plugits Realty Argument company. It's a completely AR and VR based product. So from there, it's a startup based company. I'm working from 2.6 years with the organization. It's very good, and in AR also day by day every companies and the clients in every R&D has started. I think in upcoming days there is a scope for the testers in the AR and VR lot. That's from my end, and I have today a bunch of questions to you ask Nagesh actually. This is I am from the Hyderabad, and I have a automation testing experience. The openings in my current organization. If people who are looking into the automation openings, please let me know. I will schedule the your profile to the my teammates, and I can make a schedules to the interviews.
Nice, nice. Okay, so let's do something different today. We don't have specific agenda, so let me share my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. I'll open a browser.
Yeah, it's now open.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. So this is my company currently, Ice Mortgage Technologies. So what I'll go to search jobs. So this is for the help to people. So currently, my organization is currently hiring on all these locations, but we'll only focus on Pune. So India, to be honest, in India we only have location as Pune. So in Pune, if you search on that, and organization is product based. By name itself, it says mortgage. So we are working on mortgage domain, and these are the current openings in my organization. So I'll only stop where we are interested. So this is senior quality engineer. This is again technical support. So I guess Vijay, you are working on this, right? Currently, this is for customer success. So this is not a software testing job, and we have a senior BA also a requirement. DevOps engineer we also hiring currently for Pune location, but I'll go directly on the engineering and the product development, where we are hiring senior QA analyst. So let me open that one in the new tab and let's go through the JD. So this is the JD to design the complex integration test cases. That means it's a API, most probably API testing, realistic workflow patterns, and exercise variety of loan deposition types. So again, the loan and the mortgage. And let's go to qualifications: computer science degree, 6 years experience as a manual tester or a business analyst, 3 years experience working with mortgage domain, preferable again, or loan origination system. Any loan origination system, LOS. Prior experience working on Illumini application is a plus. Strong knowledge on mortgage LOS. Understand various levels of such as unit testing, functional testing, integration, regression, end-to-end, risk-based testing, SQL, relational database, knowledge on SDLC, manual testing. So all these things we are currently hiring. You can apply for this job. If you want a referral, get connected with me. I will refer you. So this is one. Let me go back to next one now. So this is senior QA analyst. Even we are hiring Java staff. So we are currently interviewing Java people. Also on product management, we are having engineer for QA, senior technical project manager. Even we have opening for senior manager as QA. So senior manager. Okay, so let me open this one. QA engineer. See, this is test APIs, user interfaces, and web services, web applications. Company location will be in Magarpatta city. We are currently work from home due to pandemic. So any one of you or your friend, if you feel that they are suitable for this job, please let us know. And we are currently hiring in bulk. So this is what I would like to show today. So I'll stop sharing my screen. If you have any questions, Let me know.
Yeah, Nagesh. I think you showcased like the technical support engineer, right, in a QA.
Uh,
What the role, the responsibilities like technical support in the QA.
So I guess, as per my understanding, it's more on a backend job. So there are few loan documents which is getting generated in US. It will come to India for verification. You just have to verify the document. So it's not a testing, purely a testing job, but verification will be the job. And I guess Vijay, you are currently doing that, right? Vijay? Okay, we are having some issues with Vijay, hearing Vijay. Okay, so Nikhil, that's not a purely testing job, but the rest of the
Okay.
jobs that I showed, those are the testing.
Yeah, yeah.
We-
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
we also
I,
have Vikram to, yeah, we
okay.
also have Vikram today. So let's talk to Vikram. Vikram, please introduce yourself. Nisarg also joined today. Nisarg, please introduce yourself. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, yes, Nagesh.
Yes, Nisarg, please introduce yourself.
Yes. I'm working as a ETL tester,
Nice,
and I have worked in United States for around 4 to 5 years, and
nice.
I came back to India for personal reasons, and I
Mhm.
started my career in India.
Nice, good. So currently you're working or you're looking for a job?
Mm, I'm just trying to switch job, in the middle of
Okay,
switching job.
nice. And your current location is
Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Okay, so are you looking specifically in ETL testing?
Yes, ETL database testing.
ETL. So you are at right place. We have two people who have previously worked in ETL, one person currently working in ETL. Mayank,
Okay.
if you have any reference, so Mayank Jain is on call.
Okay.
So Mayank,
Yeah, yeah.
get yeah, get connected with Mayank. He will help you. And
Sure.
to be honest, I also worked previously in ETL testing.
Oh,
And
okay. Great.
yes, yeah, I have around 6 years experience in ETL testing.
Mm-hmm.
So mainly data migration of insurance application in USA. I was
Okay.
working in,
Mhm.
yeah, I was working mostly in India that time. But out of that 6 years, 3 years I was working in South Africa, where we
Okay.
migrated the uh, old legacy insurance application into the new application. So good,
Yeah,
good to
same
have.
for my projects. I worked on the resort projects
Okay,
where
good.
they have the a room type and biannual, annual, those kind of room database kind of how the resorts have the rooms and their vacancy, how they will manage and like all these things and mostly they are using ETL tool like SSIS,
Hmm.
and they are migrating their old this SQL server from which this is old
Nice.
database. I forgot the source database name.
Oh,
From that they are migrating to SQL Server instance.
nice, nice. Good. So nice to know that. And be active. If you are on LinkedIn, get connected, increase your
Sure.
connection. Yeah. And
Yeah.
have your updated CV ready. You can
Hmm.
send it to Mayank. You can get connected with Mayank's.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Fine.
Okay.
So is Vikram? Can we talk to Vikram? Vikram, let me unmute Vikram. No. Okay. Okay, so anyone else want to share something? Anyone having openings in their organization, current organization? Nikhil just updated.
Yeah,
Yeah. So Nikhil,
yeah.
please. Yeah. So if you have a website, Nikhil, your company, let me know. I'll share the screen and I'll open, and
No,
I will show the.
uh, I don't have any post in my website actually. I will share the GD in the group
Okay,
itself or this chat itself.
fine.
But you can view the
Okay,
if you
good.
want the website, I can give the link.
Yeah. Yes, that's what I wanted to do. Please tell.
Yeah,
What's your website or your organization name?
plug XR, PLU,
Plug. Wait.
plug
Uh,
XR.
Plug X R.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
one.
that is, yeah, that's one.
Nice. So Plug XR. Now we are looking at website of Plug XR. Looks very nice, clean, neat website. And is the product information. We have a Plug X Curator and Plug XR. I guess my internet is slow today. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
Organization vision, mission. These are the founders, the leaders. This is the roadmap. So please go through the website. And if you see the career sections on LinkedIn, let's say go on LinkedIn. Yeah, they haven't updated on LinkedIn or jobs. Nikhil is working here. I can see. Nice. So please go through the website and follow Nikhil on LinkedIn. Get connected if you're looking for job. And yeah, that's it. Anyone else want to go with their website now? Their organization. Abhay? I guess advanced 101 systems like this. So, अबे वेबसाइट क्या है भाई? So advanced 101, they are on Salesforce. So if you're looking for Salesforce jobs, get connected. About us, let's go through careers. So you can send directly emails to the recruiter from this. They have location for Indore also. So this is for SFDC consultant as of now. Yeah, they have a senior quality engineer also. So if you're looking for Pune location, Indore location, 4 to 6 years
Yeah.
experience. Yeah, so experience converting requirements into test cases, pretty simple JD, input and output. Yeah, input criteria, exit criteria, all these things, test cases, the actual test results, defect tracking
So it
tools.
is like, yes, Nagesh. So it is like all the
Hmm.
basics should be cleared. And if anyone wants to get help about this, how the interview process is, so I can help it out. And we have also requirement for .NET developers as well. So senior QA, .NET developers, business analyst, all three profiles we are hiring.
Yeah, nice. And I can see there a business analyst also there, and also MS Dynamics CRM developer also on the website. But Abhay is the right person. He will guide you through on this one. So get connected with Abhay. So let me show you Abhay's profile. Mm, अरे अभय सिंह है क्या?
Yes, Abhay, KUMAR. This third one.
Yeah, got it. I was directly searching was Abhay Singh. Yeah, Abhay. So this is Abhay. Get connected with Abhay on LinkedIn. Okay, so that's pretty much okay. I'll stop sharing the screen. So you have any specific questions? So feel free to ask. We still have 30 minutes on the call. Okay, so have any one of you recently learned anything new? Any new certification, any new tool?
So I am working towards learning this Salesforce. So in my company, as you have seen that Salesforce requirements are there. So they are pretty much concentrating to get some new products and projects and clients over Salesforce. So I have started learning Salesforce. So once I am through it, I can present or do something. So we are also planning. So I am also planning this HL7 certification.
Uh,
So it is like concentrated on totally the healthcare domain.
nice. Yeah, something new. Nice. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Yogita, you have any specific question? Is there are any openings in your current organization?
Actually, in site, maybe it's available, but internally we didn't get any notification. It's a ETRM, CTRM based product. So,
Right. Okay. Shall we go through your company website also?
yeah, we can go through.
Sure. Let me share the screen again. Can you tell me your
Uh,
organization name?
EKA,
EKA.
EKA software. Just a minute. Uh,
Eka Software
yes,
Solutions. This is on Ring Road, Embassy Tech Village. Okay.
yeah, Bangalore.
Bangalore. Yes. I was in Bangalore. I was working in Eco World. I guess it's near
Okay,
Embassy Tech Village
nearby.
only.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So Ecatech, this is the website. Let's go to company careers. If you're looking for job in Bangalore, looking for referral, Yogita is here. Are you here on this photo, Yogita, somewhere?
No, no, no.
Careers at Ika. Okay, so you have lot of positions and locations are,
Yeah.
yeah, Bangalore, Calgary, New York. So you are from US, right? Okay, so let's see marketing, sales, global delivery, shared HR, quality assurance. Let's go. Automation testing, Bangalore location, senior QA engineer, oh sorry, QA engineer, performance testing. That's nice. Performance testing, QA manager also you are having. Good.
Yeah.
Security QA, security testing also you have opening. That's, oh, you
Yes,
have
yes.
lot of openings in your organization. You should be sharing in the group, Yogita. There are a lot of things. Yeah,
Okay.
you can get a lot of referrals. If you have a referral policy, you will get a good referral money.
Hmm.
Good, good.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, exactly. So go ahead, use our Telegram group, share in the all these openings in your organization. Anyhow, I'm going to share this recording on YouTube, and eventually it will go into the our Telegram group. But if it is coming
Hmm.
from you that we are
Hmm.
looking, you are helping the people, help people. There are a lot of people who are currently out of job. They are looking for job.
Yeah, also
So,
in last year, my organization who has left, left the job because of COVID, na? So
hmm,
for them also they are hiding. I think down we have that also, COVID
let me
related.
go.
No, I think.
Let me go. Let me do that. So even you have a product management. So because there are a lot of requirement now, lot of people from our group who are previously working on QA, they are moving
Okay.
into business analyst, product owner, and product management role. So that's
Mm.
why I'm reading all this information. So that there are, your company have a lot of openings, ma'am. So you should use this for referrals. Good. So that's nice. So guys, please get connected with Yogita. So Yogita, let me connect. I don't know if we are connected on LinkedIn. If not, I'll immediately
No,
connect with you.
yesterday only I have joined this group.
Nice. So let me connect with you. Which one is you here? Okay, here.
Second one, yeah.
Connected. So nice. Uh, Yogesh, yes, Rahul Abhishek. Rahul is a good friend of mine. Very good friend of mine.
He is fiance.
Yeah, I know that. I got the connection. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's nice, 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 nice. So yeah, Rahul must have told many good things about me to you. I know that.
Yeah.
So Rahul and me worked together more than 2-3 years, and yeah, it was very nice working with Rahul. So this is my profile. I'm currently working as Scrum Master at this company, certified Scrum Master. Even I have ISTQB certified test manager. And so here I was working with Rahul, so more than
Okay.
3 years almost.
Hmm.
Yeah. So after that, I came to Pune. I was in Bangalore, working very closely with Rahul and okay, nice, nice of it. So yeah, that's it pretty much. Who else want to go through their website? Nikhil, we completed. Abhay, Yogita, Mayank from your organization. Let us know if there are any openings.
My parent organization is the Sport International Private Limited, and
Sorry, I missed that. Which one? Which one?
Scorg,
Scorch.
Scorg,
Scorch.
SEORG,
Yeah.
International, yeah, Sport
Yeah, yeah.
International,
Cool. Yes. So yes, I know about this company.
yeah.
So they do a lot of outsourcing and consulting hiring. In my previous organization, also we were hiring. So a lot of people used to join on Scorch payroll. They
Mhm.
used to work with me. So if you see my profile, nice. So
Yeah.
yes, I know there are always Scorch always hire people. I know there are
Mhm.
always openings, so please get connected. And
Yeah.
yeah, nice. So as of now, we can see there are this opening here. The contact person is Akanksha Gupta. Location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So please, if you are interested, get connected with either with Mayank, Akanksha Gupta, or go to LinkedIn and apply. So that's good enough. Nice. Let me again stop sharing the screen. Yes. Any specific questions now? So Nisarg, I would like to, yeah, go ahead. Who was this?
This is Maya.
Yeah, Maya.
Yeah. Yeah. Nagesh, actually, I wanted to know more about this opening your organization, senior
Hmm.
QA analyst. So, can we touch with offline?
Absolutely. Fine. You connect me.
Yeah,
Okay, you can call
yeah,
me. Yeah. So
yeah,
after this call, you can
yeah,
call me on my cell phone. You have my numbers, right?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Sure.
I have.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So just wanted to know curiously that Nisarg, that since how many days you're looking for a job now?
Just like I'm on my notice period.
Good. Okay.
Yeah, serving my notice period.
Nice. Okay. And are you open with locations? Any other locations after pandemic?
No, actually, I'm restricted to Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Hmm. No, not an issue. Fine.
Yeah,
So we will keep an eye. If we see any openings for specifically for Ahmedabad location, we'll
sure.
definitely look. Are you part of LinkedIn? Sorry, are you part of our Telegram group?
Yes, yes, I do.
Yes. So what I'll request you, all of you, to be interactive in the LinkedIn group. Okay. See,
Okay.
when I previously I was fully into testing, I used to interact a lot. I used to share a lot of information, but now I'm moved into Agile and Scrum Master role. So I get, occupied with my work, so I cannot focus here. So I would like all of you to take initiative, post blogs, post jobs interviews. If you have any questions, post questions and all that. So why Yeah, so why I'm asking you to do that, to increase your connections and increase your contacts. So if you do that, you will get a lot of referrals. You will be able to learn from people. There are a lot of people. Even Sanjay Kumar, who invented the Selector Hub, he's also part of our group. So yes, Vijay, I will share the LinkedIn group, or the group with you. Sorry, the Telegram group with you, and I'll add you on that group. Vijay, unmute yourself and see if we can hear you. Vijay, can you unmute yourself? Okay, not an issue. Vijay might be having some issue. Vijay, you may drop off and reconnect. I'll wait for your. Okay, Vijay, you drop off and reconnect. So let's wait for Vijay to rejoin. Okay, so if you also looking for CV, so one of the agenda that I wrote, CV writing. So what I'll request you to uh, send your CV if you are willing to update your CV, and if you need any guidance on CV writing, let us know. There are a lot of things that you should avoid writing into your CV. There are a lot of things that you should write, but you are not currently mentioning. We will look into all these things, and um, will help you. So I have posted a group link into the chat of this meeting. Feel free to join the group if you are not already part of the group. I know most of you are already part. You can share it with your friends also, but make sure they're helping the community, and they are not doing any business out of this. So we are not doing anything for business. This is totally a free initiative. So please do that. So if you are going back to CV writing, so if you are looking for a guidance on CV writing and all that, please connect with me offline. You can send me copy of your CV. We can spend an hour or 30 minutes together online, and I'll help you to update your CV. Yeah, Mayank.
Nothing from my side.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. I'm
Yes,
audible.
Vijay. Yes, loud and clear
Yeah,
now.
yeah. Actually, I was talking for 5 10 minutes, but don't know why. I'm not, you didn't get my voice actually.
No, sir. It may be a network issue. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Please share the Telegram group link, and yeah. One more thing,
Yeah.
I just wanted to confirm with you.
Mhm.
Yeah. In our organization, what are the major documents like URLA? Is there any other document, or do I need to focus on only URLA?
This is very specific question, Vijay. We can talk it offline. Yeah. So
Oh,
there are
yeah.
yeah. So why I'm not answering here it
Yes,
on
yes,
this
yes, yes,
forum,
sure,
because
sure, sure. I got
other
it. I got
people
it.
may not connect it. Okay. This is
Yeah,
very
yeah, yeah.
So let's take it offline. And so yes, you can learn mortgage domain. See it go through our internal app. The
Yes, yes.
EliConnect website, and see if there are any mortgage related trainings and documentation available.
For,
Please go
for
through
sure.
that.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So I have shared the Telegram link in the chat. If you have you
Uh,
join, please share with your. If you have, okay, I'll send it you personally again, Vijay.
okay then. Okay then. No issue.
Okay, hold on. I will send the chat. Yeah, I'm sending it personally to you again, Vijay. Please join.
Okay. Oh, yes, yes, sir.
Hmm, sure. Good. So if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, we can conclude this call. We spent 40-45 minutes together. Is that good? Everyone doing good, health-wise, COVID?
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice. How many of you have done the vaccinations?
Me.
I took it.
I'm done,
Okay.
sir.
I am
Okay.
also.
Okay. So I guess every one of us have done one round, right? First
Yeah.
vaccination.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And
Yes,
which
yes,
one
sir.
you got? Covishield, Covaxin?
Covishield.
Covishield.
Okay. And how was the experience? Do you feel anything after that? Side effect,
Yes.
immediate effect?
Fever, bit fever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same. Mid fever.
Yeah. So Vijay, you got it from office?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Covaxin. I
Same.
got a Covaxin.
Same thing. Same. So yes, me also got the Covaxin.
Yes,
From
yes,
office, my organization is taking care of the employees, and they are doing vaccination for free for employees.
yes,
So it's
yes, sir.
good experience overall. Yeah. So
I
luckily
saw,
I didn't.
I saw your pic, sir, that you are
I
sharing.
posted. Yeah. I
Yes,
posted on
yeah,
LinkedIn. Yeah, that
yeah.
one. So
Yes,
luckily I didn't got much side effects kind of thing. Only there was a little pain on my left hand, but
Mm-hmm.
otherwise all good. And I hope now the situation will change. Everything will get in control, and sooner or later people will start going out. They start visiting good places. Trainings will started. The meetups will start, and then offices will start.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Anyone want to share anything apart from whatever you want to talk, you can. We still have time, otherwise we can wind up for the lunch. No? Okay, team. Thanks a lot for
Yeah.
joining today. It was nice talking to all of you. I got to know new people today, Yogita, Nisarg. It was nice talking to both of you, and I really wish both of you all the best in your career. Vijay also. Vijay, you have to keep learning, keep doing the good work. Mayank, I'm
Yeah.
really happy.
Yeah.
Mayank is in connect with me from long time. He was trying
From
for
that.
a new job from long time, and I'm really happy that Mayank is now successfully working with a good company. And
Yeah.
all the best to Mayank.
Yeah.
Abhay
Thank
is
you.
always there. Nikhil, always supportive. Nikhil, you always come up with the openings, and he always willing to refer. So thanks all of you, and have a nice Sunday. Enjoy. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, everyone.